Hi everybody, I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I am based outside. This is my last day being based outside of Washington, D.C., where I'm sitting right now in Arlington, Virginia, but this is our very last day in this office. So if you have been following us, if you're working with us, if you have had a consultation with us, or if you've ever visited our Arlington, Virginia office, we are moving. We have moved. Actually, the movers came yesterday, and as you can see, everything behind me has been taken, but this is my last day. I was just finishing up some work in this office here in Arlington, Virginia, but we are moving. We have moved to Washington, D.C. Our official office is now located in Washington, D.C., near the city center area, if you're familiar with the Washington, D.C. area. The metro stops closest to it are Metro Center and Chinatown Gallery Place. So either of those will work if you are in the area and you want to come and visit us, or of course schedule an appointment to make sure I'm available. But that is where we're located. Of course, we serve clients all over the United States in all types of immigration applications. So no matter where you are located, we can help you. But of course, big news is that we have moved. We have moved to Washington, D.C. So thank you guys that have been with us kind of through this journey. And I hope that you will find our D.C. location just as convenient as our Arlington location. We are still working with our same team, so nothing there has changed. So if you've called us before, if you've worked with Kriza or Michelle or Madeline, they're all still part of the team. We're just now going to be located in DC. Those of you that are unfamiliar with the geography here, DC is pretty close to Virginia. Where we are in Arlington, our new office is actually only about 5 miles from our current office where I'm sitting right now. But say goodbye to Arlington, Virginia, and I will be joining you from DC soon, pretty soon, probably in the next couple of weeks, because I got to set up. We've got to set up. We've got to get things looking beautiful for you guys to come and visit. But we will start joining you as soon. I will be on live as soon as I can be from our new office in Washington, D.C. So I want to start off with a few questions for you guys. Okay. Some questions have already been given to me, so I'm going to go over that, and I hope you will find it helpful. Again, just if you don't know me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. If you have questions, put this in here. And I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay? All right, so Raphael, okay, here's some questions. I'm going to just pop in on TikTok here. We're streaming live on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Follow us, like us if you haven't already. Our handle is Agarwal Immigration on all the platforms. So it's Agarwal Immigration on all the platforms. Follow us, like us. If you don't already do so, you'll then be notified when I go live. All right, sorry, I'm a bit frazzled today because I have nothing around me because all of our stuff has moved. Okay, all right, so Raphael is saying, hi Raphael, first of all, if you haven't joined me before, say hello, introduce yourself. I'll be happy to give you a shout out if you would like. Raphael says, how long does it take to get a receipt notice for VAWA? So how long to get a receipt notice for VAWA? So once you file the application, we usually see a receipt notice in about 4 to 6 weeks. So it's taking a little bit longer than it used to. It used to be at least 3 to 4 weeks, but now it's kind of pushed a little bit more. So you should expect to get one in about 6 weeks from the time that your application is filed. If you file for your green card, if you file for a work permit, travel as well, you can get all of those receipts usually at the same exact time. If we can help you with VAWA, call us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. Okay, here's another VAWA question. Do VAWA applicants need a clean police record or a character reference? So let me repeat that question for those of you guys that might have not seen it or that are not on TikTok to be able to see the question written out. It's from Kenneth Bro. He says, do VAWA applicants need a clean police record or character reference? So one of the requirements for VAWA is good moral character. So the way our firm does that is by having you get fingerprinted, and we submit an FBI report showing you have a clean criminal history. Not everyone has a perfectly clean record. We usually can submit records showing what ended up happening. So maybe you were charged with something but you were never convicted, so we can show that. Just because you're charged with something doesn't mean that you're not going to qualify for VAWA, right? So we have been successful with prima facie determinations, which is kind of like a pre-approval of your VAWA case, by when we submit records, and we can explain away and show good moral character in other ways. So we try to just incorporate as much evidence as possible. When your criminal record might not be squeaky clean, we want to explain what happened. We want to make sure that you have submitted evidence that show that you are of strong moral character. And there's plenty we can do to make your application strong. There are some things that are going to prevent you, obviously, from showing good moral character. So it depends on the crime, it depends on when it happened. So give us a call, let's have a consultation, and we can let you know if this is going to impact your VAWA case. Okay, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And we help clients all throughout the United States with VAWA. All right? Look forward to seeing some of you for a consultation. If you would like to schedule a consultation yourself right now, since our office is closed, you can do that on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Okay, Facebook page or website, agarwalimmigration.com is our website. Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration, and you can see my availability and book a consultation right from those links. All right, I hope that I get to meet some of you by Zoom, by phone, and in person. The in-person appointments, because we're moving to DC, we need to get set up in our DC office, and we want it to be beautiful for you when you come into the office. We are pushing in-person appointments until July 15th. So that is when we expect to open up in-person appointments. However, our phone and Zoom appointments will continue without disruption. Okay, hope to see many of you in person soon. Not in person, by Zoom or by phone soon. And of course, if you'd like to come in, we can definitely accommodate that, but it will be in the middle of July. All right? Okay, let's see, what other questions here? My spouse won't go to my green card interview, what should I do? So my spouse won't go to my green card interview, what should I do? So you might still have options to move forward with that green card application on your own without the help of your spouse. You should see if you qualify for what's called VAWA. VAWA can be a self-petition, so without involvement from your spouse at all. If you're eligible to also file a green card, it could be VAWA, green card, work permit, and travel, all without the help of your spouse, as long as your marriage is real, not just for immigration purposes, as long as you lived with your spouse for however long, and you are a person of good moral character, and there's abuse in your marriage. So give us a call. We can screen you for VAWA. We'll let you know if you qualify, but if your spouse is refusing to go to the green card interview, you might have other options, it sounds like, based on the problems in your marriage. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Look forward to speaking with some of you and meeting you for a consultation. Thanks. All right. Okay. I'm trying to get through some of these questions here. Sorry. What does it mean when your I-601 waiver moves to another jurisdiction? So what does it mean when your I-601 waiver moves to another jurisdiction? It actually is nothing bad. Sometimes it might just be USCIS trying to move applications around to centers that might have more capacity, right? So maybe they're full here, in Vermont and they're going to move you to Nebraska. So it's not a big deal. It doesn't indicate just because your case got moved, it doesn't necessarily mean that there was something wrong with the application. If they need additional evidence, you will hear from them. If there's a problem with your application, you will hear from them. So take a look at it. If you think you missed something, you can always supplement your application. If you want to talk to an immigration lawyer, give me a call. You can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome. All right, so let's see. Does the 5-year rule apply to you if you got your green card through VAWA? I'm wondering, do you mean the 5 years before you apply for citizenship? So yes, you usually, unless you're married to a U.S. citizen, unless you qualify to apply for your citizenship in 3 years, then you can apply for citizenship. If you could, without VAWA, apply for citizenship in 3 years, then you still qualify to apply for citizenship in 3 years. I hope that matters. I hope that makes a difference to your question, Shay. I'm not sure I understand it clearly, but feel free to clarify and I'll try to get back to that. All right, another question here. Is a psychological evaluation needed to file a VAWA application? Do you have to have a psychological evaluation in order to file a VAWA application? So we file most of ours without a psychological evaluation. So what we use as evidence of abuse is a very detailed declaration outlining all the different types of abuse that have occurred in the relationship. That declaration is signed by the person that is applying for VAWA. So that is what we've used in the past. We have been successful with just a detailed declaration. If you have other evidence, of course, we will provide it. We ask that everyone be truthful and provide as much detail as possible to us, and we will help you draft that declaration based on the conversation with us. Call us if we can help you with your VAWA declaration. Call us if we can help you with your VAWA application. We love to work with VAWA clients. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. I was like, what am I missing? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Make sure you follow us and like us. We're Agarwal Immigration. This is if you want to be notified when I'm on live again to ask your immigration question. Also, if you want to share this with others, if you know people that might have immigration questions, share this with others, and so they can join you guys too next time I go live. All right. Hi, Dave. Hi, Anaya. Hi, Mr. Tusk. Nice to see you. All right. Let's see. Does prima facie mean that my case is approved? Does getting a prima facie mean that my case is approved? So when you get a prima facie determination, it's really good news. So that's the first thing usually that happens in your VAWA case after you receive your receipt notices. So essentially, when you get that, it means that your application on its face is approvable, meaning that you've hit all of the different requirements to have an approvable case. So it means that you were married to a U.S. citizen. It means that there was some kind of abuse in your marriage. Of course, the government wants to do background checks. They want to compare what you've submitted here with other applications you may have previously submitted. So you want to make sure, they do a pretty extensive background check on you and make sure that everything that you're submitting is consistent and truthful and accurate. So prima facie is the first step, but it doesn't mean that you're necessarily approved, but it is a great step because that means it's on track to be approved. If we can help you with your VAWA case, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Would love to chat with you about your VAWA case. You can schedule a consultation online also on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Okay, great. Hi, Omar. Nice to see you. I'm a U.S. citizen and I applied for my spouse's I-130. It's taking a longer time than expected. Yes, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. I'm sorry. Some of these applications, I know you just want them approved. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for a really long time, but it does sometimes take a little bit longer. And so be patient, submit as complete an application as you can. Do your best, and definitely reach out to us if we can help you. You can reach me at 703-348-1663, or you can schedule a consultation, on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. If you have friends or family that would like to join next time to talk, to essentially learn about immigration, to get general information about immigration, want to be part of this live that I'm doing right now, make sure you share this post with them so they can join you and me next time and have their questions answered as well. Of course, everything that we're providing is not legal advice. It is just general information. If you want to have a one-on-one consultation, definitely give me a call or schedule it online or on our Facebook page, and we can talk about your case. But what I'm talking about right now is just general information, and it might not apply exactly to you because of your immigration history and your specific situation. So we want to make sure you're getting the right advice for your immigration applications. Okay? Hope everyone is doing great. Again, this is my very, very last live from Arlington, Virginia. This is my last live from Arlington, Virginia. I'm going to be moving to Washington, D.C., and so you will see me from our D.C. office hopefully soon, very, very soon. In the meantime, we may be in some sort of transition phase, but like from home or in my travels. But I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Thank you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Call us for a consultation, schedule it online, touch base, but say goodbye to the Arlington office and wish us luck in our new space. Great. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you all soon. Bye.